me to introduce you to one of my brain projects from this year, 2011. I worked on making a calendar for Paw Pals assistance dogs. It took me about 6 months. Brain projects are great exercises to stimulate my brain. And Windsor is great at helping me find ways to continue to get better. So here is the calendar to raise funds for Paw Pals assistance dogs. On the second page, I have information. Let's see. Can't remember. Oh, the page. I answer the question, what is a service animal? Are there different types of service animals? Yes, there are. How should people approach a service dog team in public? That can be very difficult for the handler. That's us, the person with the disability or medical condition. We can be working so hard to use all of our energies to complete whatever task we're doing in public that to be approached a lot with questions or people who are petting and distracting our dog from their job can be very difficult for us and put us at risk if our dog missed an alert or we run into something in public. So our dogs are not a walking petting zoo in public. So I share some tips how to approach us. Where are service dogs legally allowed to go in the United States? So that's the information page, and then the calendar begins. Psh, psh. Hey buddy, over here busy. Psh, psh. Windsor, I think you're out of the camera. Come here, bud. There, good. So here January, where I begin to share some basic information about service dogs. It takes about 2 years for them to train. Then we have another month. March. And in March, Windsor demonstrates how he helps me shop and get items from shelves that are down low in the store. Here's the month of another month, and Windsor is demonstrating how to push the buttons into a building, the disable button. In the month of May, Windsor demonstrates how to tug. How they tug laundry baskets, tug grocery carts, tug open sliding doors. So each month represents some service dog information. We'd love it if you would like to join us in helping to support Paw Pals assistance dogs. So you can order your own calendar by going to pawpals.org. PAWPALS.org. I will also leave the written information below the video. When you go to pawpals.org, on their homepage is a donate button key. Push the donate button. Then you have the option to pay via credit card or PayPal. There's also a place to put comment. In the comment section, please put Windsor Calendar. I forget why. Winter calendar so that they know how to tell. They do the right thing. Paw Pals knows how to do something. Then they will notify me, and I have another brain project then, and that is to mail out the calendars. It's good exercise for me, brain exercise for me, to write your name, address, city, state, zip code. We can even mail out of the country. Gift donations of $20 or $25 receive a service dog calendar. They make great gifts. If you have a son or daughter, they make great gifts for teachers in their classrooms to help teach children about people with disabilities. Travel agents have picked some calendars up to use to show their clients a quick look at the dates. They also make a great calendar in your home to help keep you on track. So this is for the upcoming year 2012. Uh, 2012 Service Dog Calendar. We hope you join